Okay guys, we're back down here in the basement at Tru Ninja, and what you're looking at right here is Sigenergy's new SigenStack batteries. This is powering the entire facility right now. What we love about these batteries is their modular nature. So each one of these 21 batteries right here is 12 kilowatt hours each, giving us a total storage of 252 kilowatt hours. Now this is important because it doesn't matter if you have a small business or a really large business. We're able to build a storage solution anywhere from around 100 kilowatt hours all the way through to megawatt hours worth of storage. This is all tied together with Sigenergy's new hybrid inverter range. This right here is Sigenergy's all new 125 kilowatt grid-tied hybrid inverter. And on the roof, we've got 99.9 kilowatts of ICO solar panels, which are of course all black, which suits the aesthetics of this beautiful building. We've installed this solar and battery system here at Tru Ninja for two main reasons. Number one is, like every other solar system, to destroy Tru Ninja's power bills. But the second reason is actually for peak demand shaving, which is the art of supplying energy from our batteries when the grid simply can't supply energy for a reasonable price. This is a really unique use case for Sigenergy. To deploy a battery system to do this, we need the battery to be ultra responsive, exactly like what we get out of this system right behind me.